Hello everyone, we are from Group 5. We want to presentation about writing a professional business email. First of all, let me introduce our team. Name of group our members. First is me, Febriani Hikmaniar. 2, Tuti Solihat. 3, Flavia Jovita Eti Nathanael. 4, Mesia Intan. 5, Nathanael Dimas Kristiadi. And 6, Sunarto. So, we will start present the result of our discussion about first, how to create professional look. 2, how to use the following feature effectively in email, such as subject, CC and BCC, email signature, email filter, and spam folder. 3, business email structure and different business email from business letter. 4, how to create an effective business email. 5, the meaning of the question email, the structure of the email, along with the example of the email. And the first, I will present about how to create professional look. 1, use reputable email service provider. High quality email service provider can help you create professional email on a small business budget because they offer innovative technology in user-friendly packaging. 2, get a domain. After choosing a provider, the next step is getting a domain name. As with email provider, you have many options for getting a domain, including getting a free domain through your preferred web host or email hosting plan. 3, choose a professional email address format. When you create professional email address to use for work, you will need to choose a format for the email username and display name. The username is the first portion of an email address, such as the linda@yourcompanyname.com, and the display name is what the recipient sees, such as Linda. It's important since you want to be consistent in using a standard email format for all company email accounts for branding and organization. 4, an email signature. Most professionals have an email signature at the bottom of their message, including their company name, job title, and contact information. Many businesses including branding in the signature such as logo. 5, using familiar font. Professional email use standard font and font size that are easy to read. Arial or Times New Roman are fonts commonly used. Most businesses stick with black text for email content. Challenging to read font and wild color often spam or phishing scam. So that's how to create a professional looks email. Next, my friend Sunarto.
Okay, thank you, Kak Febri. I will discuss what in the future email there are 5 points. Subject, CC and BC, email signature, email filter, and spam folder. And number 1, subject. In writing, the subject must be clear and the unambiguous, and not short and not long. And the next number 2, CC and BCC. CC is used when you want to send email someone is not the primary receipt This helps the person stay connected while letting them know there no need to reply your message. And BCC it works pretty much the same when CC expect all of the email address in the BCC file are hidden, making it ideal when email a very large number of received on when privacy is needed. And the number 3, email signature. You can create a signature email will appear at the end of every email you send. Signature often include your name, contact information, phone number, website, or professional title. And the next number 4, email filter. If private, a way to automatically organize email into different category automatically, such as per folder or location for work, personal, secret, and other service. And number 5, spam folder. Spam email are a message that enter your email inbox uninvited, so you don't know what the sender is. You also never subscribe to newsletter from the email address, but you don't get email from them if any aspect look suspect. ESP automatic block your email from reaching in the target inbox. Receipt can also mark email as spam. And the next discussion by Tuti about email inquiry, please.
Business email structure. The structure of a business email. 1. Line subject. The subject line is the first part of the email that your readers see. This can determine whether your readers open the email. Most experts say that the subject should be short, 6 to 10 words, and specific. Number 2. Regard. Greeting is how you greet your readers. It is important that you understand whether you are addressing a formal or informal audience. Number 3. Body text. The body text conveys the main message of the email. It should also include an introduction and conclusion. It should be written in short paragraphs of 1 to 2 sentences. Where to add, use a list of dots or number. The last number 4. Signature. Your signature can be formal or informal, depending on your audience. A good email signature template helps your readers find all the information about you that they order. And Photomarkot has useful signature templates to make your email signature more professional. Differentiate business email from business letter. Business email is a special email that is usually used to communicate with colleagues in a company. Usually, this business email has a domain extension according to the company name to make it look more professional. For example, your name at companyname.com. As the name suggests, business email should only be used to send files or coordinates about work or about business within the company. In addition, business emails are usually also used to contact the company's business partner to make it look more professional and show that the email is official from the company in question.
Hello everyone, good night. Let me introducing myself. My name is Nathanael Dimas Krisdayanti. I'm from Prodi Electrical Engineer and my name is 5312110118. In this opportunity, I want to retell material in English Module 3 about business email. In this choice, I want to retell about how to create an effective business email. Okay, we start. To create an effective business email, you must pay attention to the structure of the email and should not use words that are too long with. An example is as follows. Okay, first, number one, consider your intention to send the email. Before you send the email, evaluate whether it is necessary. Okay, next, number two, write the subject line of email. The subject is important, so we can write that. Number three, write your greeting and contents of email in body of it. This content is important also, so you can write that. And next, number four, write the closing of your email. In the closing, usually there are signature. In signature, you can write your full name, usually that, like that. And number five, revise and send. So you can learn to the structure. You must learn the structure. Okay. Next in material, my friend Mesia and Flavia want to presentation next material. Okay, thank you.
I want to explain the meaning of inquiry email. Inquiry means the need of asking for information. So, business inquiry email used to ask for information. It's very simple. You write an email to ask people for the information you need. Most of the time, you use inquiry email to express your interest in a specific product. Here's our 5-step structure to write an inquiry email. Number 1, subject. In the subject sector, state directly what this email is about, so they can have some initial clue about what to do. Number 2, opening. Firstly, you must greet. If you don't know the recipient name, you can write Dear Sir or Dear Madam. Secondly, kindly introduce yourself so your recipient know how they are talking with. Thirdly, tell them where to get their contact. Number 3, body. An effective body should always be easy to read. Moreover, in this case, they should be able to help your recipient collect information and answer some basic like why, what, and how. Number 4, closing. End your email with a simple closing part. You can say, thank you for your time. Number 5, signature. Finally, don't forget a standard signature. Include your full name, job title, and contact information. Thank you.
The example of the inquiry email. Business inquiry email to dailyliving@gmail.com. Subject, business inquiry email for tables. Hello Ma or Sir, I am Jessica, Public Relations Officer of Tata Decor. We are interested in learning more about your line of office supplies, particularly the foldable tables. In addition to white, does this table available in any other colors? Is the table pre-assembled or do we have to put it together ourselves? We'd like to place an order this week, so if you could get back to me by Wednesday the 2nd, that would be appreciated. Email me if you have any questions or concerns, and I'll get back to you right away. Sincerely, Jessica. Okay, next, the example of the reply email to tatadecor@gmail.com. Subject, reply to business inquiry for tables. Hello, Madam Jessica. Thank you for your inquiry email. I appreciate the time you took to inquire about our products. Our table has been assembled to make it easier for buyers. You can visit this page for further information about our shop, www.dailyliving.com. If you have any queries, give us a call at 021 120 207 if you would like to proceed. Best regards, Kevin.